Hey, I'm super excited to be here with Giovanni Cervantes again. Gio joined our branch last month, and we are super excited to have Gio be part of the Renton Movement branch. Gio adds a different element to our branch, not only his excitement to learn and be the best loan officer he can be, but he is also very passionate about helping his Hispanic community. And with Gio's ability to help people who English isn't their first language, that adds a huge benefit to our branch and also to you. When you're dealing with such a large investment, you want to be able to speak in native language to somebody who understands. So tell us a little bit about your background and why you think it's so important to have a mortgage advisor that is Spanish speaking.
Greg, thank you for the introduction. So excited to be here with your team and at this location, Renton, Kent area. Auburn is huge for our Hispanic community. A little bit about my background. I've been in the mortgage industry about 4 years, right? And the market has been, unique every year. And so learned a lot, a lot of experience. And so I'm just super passionate for learning, taking this career to the next level, and then helping not only the Hispanic community, but just anyone in general that wants to find home ownership. The Hispanic community, I'm super passionate about because of my upbringing, my parents, my family, just extended family that don't think they can buy a home, helping them educate them through that process in their native tongue, which is,
Mm-hmm.
to your point, super important. They're making one of the biggest financial decisions of their life, and they want to make sure they understand the person on the other side is interpreting things correctly to them.
Right,
And
right.
so, super important. Super great to be here as a resource for our community, our realtor partners, anyone, so that we can help that Hispanic community achieve homeownership.
Yeah, and I mean, as you and I know, Movement produces all of our loan documents in Spanish now. So we can really provide that very comfortable experience for people who their predominant language is Spanish. And also, with Geo plugging into our group, we have Sherry, Angie, John.
Oh
You
yeah,
have
man.
access to the whole team with
Yep.
20, 25 years experience. So I think coupling, your experiences with our tenure in the business is going to be huge for our community and making sure that all people have a great
Correct.
experience, which they deserve when they're
Yep.
buying a home.
Yep. Yeah, movement, we have comunidad, like you said, it's huge. You have the 1003, which is a loan application in Spanish from beginning to end. Not many other lenders are offering that. So just to be able to have that application in Spanish is big time.
Yes.
It's a game changer. And so then you couple that with, a native speaking Spanish loan officer and sky's the limit. We're here to help our community.
Let's go. We're
Let's go,
excited to
baby.
have you. If there's anything that Gio or myself can do to help you, please don't hesitate to reach out.